There once lived a man, whose hands were stained with blood. He had killed 99 people. His heart had become so dark, that he felt there was no way back. But one night, something inside him broke. For the first time, he felt regret. He wanted to change. So he went to a man known for worship, and asked, "Can Allah forgive someone like me?" The man looked at him and said, "No, you can never be forgiven." Those words shattered him. In anger, he killed him too. Now, he had killed 100 people. But even then, his heart was restless. He couldn't find peace. So he kept searching, until he found a wise scholar. With trembling voice, he asked again, "Can Allah forgive someone like me?" The scholar replied, "Who can come between you and Allah's mercy? But if you truly want forgiveness, leave this land of evil, and go to a place where people live righteously." Without wasting a moment, the man began his journey. Step by step, through harsh lands, towards hope, towards forgiveness. But before he could reach, he collapsed, and died, right there, in the middle of nowhere. Then came the angels. The angels of punishment said, "He is a murderer of 100 souls." But the angels of mercy said, "He was on his way to repent." So Allah commanded, "Measure the distance between the two lands. If he is closer to the land of goodness, he will be forgiven." And then, something unbelievable happened. The earth itself was ordered to shift, and when they measured, he was just a little closer to the land of righteousness. And because of that, Allah forgave him. No matter how many sins you've committed, one sincere step towards Allah can change everything. If you like the story, then subscribe to the channel for more.